Hey guys, how you doing? It's Big Guy Z here. Test number 2. Doing this be the final test, but just testing the Toshiba Camileo clip pocket camcorder. You can see I'm just chilling at my local park. It's just still a bit snowy. Most of the snow, let me zoom up a bit. Little bit there. Most of the snow hasn't been touched. As you can see here, it's absolutely freezing. But yeah, just taking it on the screen. The screen is not too bad. I mean, the screen is very small, so it doesn't show it to be that great quality. You've got to take it out from your computer. Hold on. Oh yeah. I gotta watch where I'm stepping. Easy. But yeah. So I'm just watching my feet so I don't slip. Even with my Tim's, still quite slippery. Okay, back safely on the grass, and yeah. This is test number 2.